Welcome to Monimation. I'm Moni. There are two primary groups of control structures in PHP, the conditional branching structures and looping structures. Today, let's talk about conditional branching structures first. PHP interpreter always executes statement in linear order by default. That is, it starts executing from the first statement, and then the second statement, blah blah blah, until it reaches the last statement in the program. This is not very useful. Conditional branching structures allow a program to jump to alternative paths of execution based on the fulfillment of condition of multiple conditions we define. There are basically four different types of conditional branching structures in PHP: the simple if structure, the if-else structure, the if-else if else structure, and the switch case structure. If the test condition evaluates to true, the if statement body runs. Otherwise, it skips the if statement body and continues to execute the next statement after the if structure. The condition is written in parentheses. The if statement body is denoted by the curly braces. If the condition evaluates to true, the if statement body runs. We can enhance the decision-making process by providing an alternative choice through adding an else statement to the if statement, so as to execute the else statement body when the test condition evaluates to false. However, if we want nothing to be done when the specified condition evaluates to false, then the else statement should not be used. We need to provide the else segment if we want something to be done when the condition evaluates to false. Because we often break problems into several subpaths, we need else if statements to check for several conditions and do something when one of them is true. The keyword Elseif is a combination of if and else. It extends an if statement to execute a different statement body in case the original if statement evaluates to false. However, it will only execute the alternative else if statement body when the corresponding condition evaluates to true. The final else segment is optional. If none of the conditions above evaluates to true, and the else statement thus exists, the default else statement body runs. If condition 1 evaluates to true, it runs the if statement body. If not, it goes to check for condition 2. If condition 2 evaluates to true, it runs the corresponding else if statement body. If not, it goes to check for the next condition and so on. If none of the conditions above evaluates to true, the default else statement body runs. In many occasions, you may want to compare the value of a single variable or expression with multiple case values, and execute a piece of code depending on which case value it matches. The variable or expression in the parentheses is evaluated first. The evaluated value is then used to compare with the values of each case. If a matching case value is found, the corresponding case statement body is executed. If there is no match, the default statement body will be executed. It is also noted that after each case statement, we need a break statement to break out of the switch case structure. In the upcoming videos, we will talk about coding the 4 different types of conditional branching structures in detail. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and hit the notification bell to receive alerts on my new uploads. Thanks for watching.